celebration is thanking God for the good harvest and all the good things that God has given us. So it is a Thanksgiving celebration to God. The nature has blessed us with all potentialities, whatever we can get in our life. Why? Because we allow that nature to grow. Therefore, we have received paddy, vegetables, and so many other things. As we are doing life, that should remind you all to show your love for the nature. When we love nature, nature will give us life. It's not only we get all this paddy and vegetable, but the most essential thing, that is air to breathe, by which we are living. God has given us air to breathe. With that breath only, we are able to live. So dear children, the message, morning message, thought for the day was given. Anyone, can you remember? Okay. The strength of the nation is seen by the knowledge that young one gets. The youth. The knowledge that is received by the youth and put in practice, that is shown the nation's strength. Therefore, each one of you who are learning in this school, we see that you grow in a positive way. The knowledge that is given is to be grown in a positive way for the growth. Therefore, whatever you do, you are able to choose the best in life. You prove that by doing good, that you have chosen the best with the knowledge that is given. I wish that positive thoughts, positive actions may help you to build our nation, and I wish you all the best. And we also congratulate and give a round of applause for Blue House who conducted the assembly. Though it was short, but it was sweet. Tomorrow, Wednesday's timetable will be followed. So all of you bring books for Wednesday. Dear children, tomorrow house meeting is there. Please come with proper uniform, hairstyle, your dress code. Especially where all of you should wear your ID card. If you don't have, please get from your teachers, ask in the office. If you don't come, you will be caught tomorrow. All the class teachers will check your nails, hairstyle and your uniform. Socks also. Some of you are wearing socks, different ones. We have school socks. Please wear, all of you, school socks and be neat, and I wish you all the best. May God bless you all with all the blessings that you are in need of in order to gain knowledge to build our nation. Have a nice day. God bless you all.